Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben, and welcome to my channel. This is my live stream, and today we're just gonna go over some charts. We're going to discuss XRP, Bitcoin, and pretty much the whole market. So shout out to everybody that's here. Now, during this live stream, of course, I'm not getting no one financial advice. This is entertainment only. And if you are just basically tired of losing in this market and you don't know what to do, definitely hit that subscribe button, because over here we focus only on the charts, because the news is strictly BS, especially in an unregulated market like cryptocurrencies. The news is BS, okay? The charts will never lie to you. It will tell you the truth. So that's what we do over here. If you're tired of losing, pretty much people that have been buying and holding, been losing the whole year. If you're that person, definitely hit that subscribe button, because you're just basically leaving a lot of money on the table. All right, there's money to be made right now. So during this live stream, of course, I'm not giving no one financial advice. This is entertainment only. If you're watching that replay, you can actually hit the settings button, hit speed in 1.5 or 2. And you can actually speed up the replay. So let's see who's in the building right now. Go to my chats. What's going on, Davina? Let me pop this out real quick. Okay, so right now it's a Sunday, 1:02 p.m. Eastern time, where I'm at. I don't know how many people is going to come on my live stream, but hey, shout out to everybody that's here so far. NN, Davina, Fetch, Mikey, Eric NL, Lord of the Boys, Jason, Altcoin, Al. All right, who else? Craig Hands. Thanks a lot, guys, for just stopping by. Let's go to the cryptocurrency market. The market cap is slowly dropping. We do have a steady market. It's crazy. Like Bitcoin is steady. A lot of these coins are steady right now. We might see a crazy move soon, but you just gotta wait it out. But Bitcoin dominance is growing again, slowly growing. So I do expect Bitcoin dominance to continue to grow this whole year. The market cap seems to have some type of resistance at 220. The overall market is just slow. Look at the gains, 1%, down 2%. It's just slow right now, guys. The whole crypto market is slow. The best way, in my opinion, right now to make money in this current market is just to take advantage of these swings. Okay, let's go to BTC right now. Look at it overall. It's not doing anything, but this doesn't look too good, because we actually broke out of this consolidation right here. Not consolidation, but this channel right here. We pulled back to the channel. We try to make a higher high. We couldn't close above this high, and now we drifting down. So this doesn't look good. So if this thing decides to go down, honestly, I think this might be a slow grinding. Slow grind down maybe, or it might just be a quick boom out of nowhere, a drop out of nowhere. And but the market is definitely waiting for something. Okay, you can just tell. You can look at Bitcoin chart. You can just tell it's setting up for something. Maybe some news is going to drop soon, some type of either bad or crazy news. I don't know, but it looks like it's setting up for something, for the market to just go nuts. I think it's probably going to be based on some type of news, but we'll see. All right, but overall the market does look weak. It doesn't look like it's trying to go up. We could blast up and go above the double tops, but we would just have, we have to see. Hopefully next week, okay, this week right here, hopefully we will see something, because this is getting ridiculous, guys. But happy Sunday to you guys too. It's slow, flat, yeah, flattening out, man. It's flat. It's a flat line right now, and it's just ridiculous. I know a lot of people are frustrated, and that's why, I'm telling you guys right now, you don't have to be frustrated at all. You can actually just take advantage right now. Me and my students is basically taking advantage of this XRP, because XRP right now is showing life. Okay, XRP is the only coin right now showing decent life. Okay, so XRP, I told you guys, okay, like a couple of streams ago, XRP is going to be the coin to play around with, because it has a lot of downside and upside. Okay, so it doesn't matter which way XRP goes. If it goes up, if it goes down, it has a lot of upside and downside. So this is the coin to keep an eye on. All right, I made money off this. My students made money off this. So this is the coin right here. This is why, guys, when I talked about yesterday, go check out my, go check out my last video. If you're watching that replay, if you're watching this replay, check out my last video. Go around 59 minutes. I talk about the 8 things I wish I knew when I first started out. Okay, and look at that. And I talk about, I talked about marrying stocks and all that stuff. This is why I don't really buy and hold. Buy and hold to me is probably one of the stressful. It could be really, really stressful, because it is a patient game that most people that I know of, they can't really play too much. All right. It is a game for the rich, because the rich could be patient because they have money coming in. Okay. So if you don't have money coming in and you buying and holding, trust me, that your stress levels are going to go up. Okay, but the rich, they don't care, because they have money coming in other vehicles. Okay, so you have to understand that buy and hold is usually for the rich. All right, I like steady income, so I like making money every day, every week, every month. I don't like holding and waiting years to get money. Okay, that's only a small percentage of what I do. It's not my main strategy. I had to learn my lesson though. At first it was my main strategy. When I was a rookie, yes, it was my main strategy, because guess what, guys? Society, they tell us this. They tell us to buy and hold. So whatever society push on us, guys, is usually the opposite. Okay, because society, you have to understand how things work. Society is controlled by the rich, and the rich don't want you to basically make it. They don't want you to make money. Okay, so they're gonna tell you lies and tell you what you want to hear. Okay, and they promote buy and hold to the general public. Okay, they want you to invest in 401ks. Mutual funds and all these craziness, so you can hold your money so they can take advantage when the market crash. All right, take advantage of you when the market crash. Like I said, I had to learn the hard way. I'm trying to just basically come on these live streams and give you guys the knowledge that I have, plain and simple. All right, but me personally, I feel better when I have control over my income. Okay, when I buy and hold, I feel like I don't have any control at all. I don't. Okay, so guys, if you're new to the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button if you're tired of losing, because I know some of you guys is tired of losing. Okay, even the trolls that come here, I know they tired of losing. So if you're tired of losing, hit that subscribe button. Hopefully I can open up your mind and basically show you the way. All right. Because overall, guys, we are in, or we put it like this, we all in this the same matrix. Okay, so we should be here trying to figure all this stuff out together, because we are playing inside the same matrix. Okay, but anyway, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. During these live streams, I do go over these questions. So right now we're going to talk about XRP. Is it a good time to buy, sell, whatever the case is? But let's go over the chat room. Let's see if I see anything here. TRX is pumping right now. Top 11. Yeah. Ike said you're going to wait till it drops and buy it back. So let me ask you this, Ike. Why are you looking to buy Tron right now? Can we have a look at beats? Yeah, I'll look at it. SA says, should I hold XRP? Should I hold XRP? Okay, so let's get to that then. Okay, people asking me, should I hold XRP? Of course, you know, during this live stream, I can't get nobody financial advice, of course. Okay, but I'm just gonna give you the way I look at things. All right. It all depends on your situation. Okay. If it was me, okay, let's say that I'm gonna give you, different situations. So let's say that I didn't have no money on the side. Okay, let's say that I just put all my wealth into XRP, and I didn't have no money on the side, and all my wealth and my income is in XRP. Would I sell? The answer is yes. Okay. Would I sell all of it? You don't have to sell all of it. Okay. But me personally, if I had all my wealth into it, yes, I would sell, because I can't take that chance. All right. I can't take that chance. Now, like I said, everybody's situation is different. Some people might not have all their wealth in XRP. So if they let's say that you don't have all your wealth in XRP, and you're waiting for XRP to do whatever you're waiting for, then you don't have to sell right now. Okay, or you could maybe take some off the top a little bit. Okay, if you are in the profits, I mean in the green, you can take something off the table, but you don't have to sell all of it. Okay, because if you have money on the side to play with, then if, like I said, if it was me and I had money on the side to play with, I would just swing trade this crypto market and just wait for that bull market to come. Okay, that's how I would approach this situation. Okay, so like I said, I just gave you guys two scenarios, right? Two different situations. If I had all my wealth in the XRP and I was holding it right now, yes, I will sell either 70% of it, 80% of it. I don't know. Okay, but I don't like how XRP is looking right now, plain and simple. But let's say I had money on the side and I had money on XRP. Would I sell? You don't have to sell. Okay, you can maybe sell a little bit or sell half of it. Okay, but your main situation or your main goal right now should be, how can I make money in this current market conditions? Okay, so let me back up now and show you what I mean. Okay, how can I make money from a market that is going down every single month? Okay, that's the next question you should have asked yourself. Okay, how can I make money in this environment right here? Because most people don't know how to make money in this type of environment. Okay, we are in a bear market. Most people think that this is a market that is just automatically going to reverse next month. Okay, it doesn't work like that, guys. It takes time. It takes time. So that's my thoughts. That's how I, if it was me, I would approach the market. I'm not in that situation. When I first started out investing, yeah, I was in that situation. But luckily I woke up and understood how the market works, and I decided to study the charts and all that stuff. So I don't have to deal with that right now, but I'm just telling you guys how I feel. All right, so let me go up and read these questions. What's going on, FX Dub? What's going on? Mr. 66 was good. What percentage on average do you put on each trade, or does it depend? It depends on each. Honestly, it depends on the person's account. Okay, so every account is going to be different. Okay, so that's why I really don't follow that rule. I know most people will say only use no more than 3% of your account. Yes, that sounds good, right? But reality tells me that doesn't make sense for people that, let's say that you only have $500, right? You're not going to risk 3%, okay? Because 3% of $500 is no money. So if you risk 30%, 40% of your account with a $500 account, I understand, okay? I understand, but you should at least, like, if I had a $500 account, I would at least try to risk, $50 or $100 per trade. That's just me. Like I said, I'm not telling no one what to do. But at the same time, it's all about practice, studying your craft, get used to your situation. You can always start small. That's the very important thing. Okay, so if you're starting off, you can just get used to winning $10 here, $20 here. All right, there's nothing wrong with getting used to the market and winning $10 here, $20 here. There's nothing wrong with that. Okay. Let me see here. TRX is pumping because of Alibaba news. So what type of news? Because you know me, I don't really follow news like that. What type of news Tron TRX had? Like, what about Alibaba? Oh my gosh. Inside source said that Alibaba and Tron are working. Inside source. You hear that, guys? You hear that? This is why, guys, this is why I showed you guys yesterday, like I said before, if y'all watching this replay, my last video, write this down so you won't forget. Write it down right now. If you're watching this replay, write this down. Go to my last video and go to the 59 minutes mark, I believe. I talk about the 8 things I wish I knew when I first started out, okay? And the news was one of them. Learning, the news is pretty much worthless, okay? Insider source told me, Tron, are you kidding me? Let me see. Ike said, in the long run, all these coins are likely to increase in value, so I'm trying to increase the number of Tron. Ike, let me explain something to you, okay? At the end of the day, you can do whatever you want, okay? You can do whatever you want. But I'd rather save that money. If it was me, I'd rather save that money and put it into something that's going to make me money, okay? I'd rather not just throw it away. What's going on, Leonard? How you doing? Dev, what's going on? Swazzers, what's going on? Desert said, Ben, do you think Tron TRX pump because of Alibaba partnership? I don't know. You know me, I don't really read the news like that. But honestly, guys, in this current market, me personally, I'm selling every single rally. Okay, every single rally that comes up, I'm selling it. All right. I don't trust any rally right now in this current market. I don't care what news come out. We see, guys, you know, we see this over and over and over again. Okay, news come out, boom. Next thing you know, the sellers come in. Okay, so I honestly, I don't really care about any pumps, news stories at all. These guys are not going to trick me. $7 said, I want Big Ben on a CNBC as a critical expert. Yeah, they're gonna kick me off, man. They're gonna kick me off or censor me or whatever. Or that's it's gonna be my only time there. Like it's gonna be my first and last time there. They're not gonna definitely bring me back in CNBC. Because first of all, I'm like, yo, how come every time you guys say that Bitcoin is going to moon or find the bottom, it drops? Okay, and I'm going to pull out the chart and I'm going to show them how many times that they said Bitcoin was going to go to the moon or this is the bottom and it dropped. These guys are going to look at me like I'm crazy. Let me see. TRX is no trade zone right now. Let me see. What's going on, Alex? Hey, what's going on, Keith? Dev said, do you trade every day or did you say you swing trade? I trade every day. Like right now, you talking about? Yeah, I trade every day. This is what I do, Dev. I trade full time. I don't trade the crypto market full time. I trade financial markets and I swing trade cryptos. Because day trading cryptos, in my opinion, I mean, put like this, there's better markets out here to day trade. Swing trade is good for cryptos, but day trading is better markets out here for day trading. Let me see here. What's going on, Keith? Hey, Big Ben and all. You said controlling your emotions. Yes, definitely. He said get Ben's course if you are tired of losing. Shout out to Keith. Yeah, the market is slow right now, man. The market is slow right now. But it's money to be made, okay? Like I told before, guys, it's money to be made. XRP is the money maker right now. Period, hands down. There's no other crypto right now on the market that's giving you money, okay? XRP has a lot of downside or upside, okay? So it doesn't matter which way XRP goes. It has a lot of upside and downside, so there's money to be made on that XRP. What's going on, AZ? DG said, don't hodl, you would be wrecked. Oh, man. Y'all guys making me laugh. So funny. If you're new to the channel, guys, hit that subscribe button, because if you don't know how I'm making money in this market or my students is making money, if this looks like some type of I don't know, some people just think it's impossible. So if this looks like too good to be true type of situation, hit that subscribe button, because I give you guys videos all the time telling you my thoughts, and you see it, okay? You see it in my videos when I say something that I'm basically telling you guys the truth. So hit that subscribe button if you're tired of losing money. If you're tired of just people lying to you. Most people in this crypto space are lying to you guys. They've been telling you to buy the dips. Actually, talking about buying the dips. Okay, guys, your favorite XRP YouTuber. All right. Of course, I'm not gonna say his name because I'm quite sure you guys know. Your favorite XRP YouTuber said yesterday. It's funny because I don't even really listen to his videos. I just see the titles and I skip over it. But this time I decided to listen to some of it. And your favorite YouTuber, you know what he said? Your favorite XRP YouTuber, okay? You know what he said? Okay, the same guy, guys. Listen to this carefully because this is why, guys. If you're watching this replay. Okay, if you're watching this replay, I want you to write down this, okay? Write it down, okay? Go to my last video that I made, the last stream. Go to like 59 minutes of the stream and look at the 8 things I wish I knew before I got started, okay? And one of the things I was talking about is don't fall for the hype, okay? There's people out here are giving you hype on purpose, okay? So anyway, your favorite XRP, okay, your favorite XRP YouTuber that been the same YouTuber that been telling you to buy the dips this whole year. You know what he said yesterday? You know what he said yesterday? Guys, you are guys, some of you guys are impatient. This thing might take 2 years to 2 years before we see any type of movement in XRP. The same person that been telling you to buy the dips this whole year now is telling you, be patient, guys. It might take 2 years. Are you kidding me? So you've been basically telling me to buy dips, make me lose all my money, and now you're telling me it might take 2 years? This is what I'm talking about, guys. These YouTubers don't even care about you. They will tell you anything that you want to hear just to get viewers and you know, get subscribers. That's it. So if you're tired of losing money, hit the subscribe button, because over here I'm not gonna lie to you, because I don't have no reason to lie to you. I do this full time. I will never ever tell you to buy the dips in a bear market, because I know how brutal a bear market is. Instead of buying the dips and losing money, I'd rather you save money or make money, okay? And that's why I've been telling you this whole year. Go to my videos, look at it. I'll tell you guys all the time, stop buying these stupid dips, okay? Because these things, these cryptos could go much lower than where they at right now. So let me see if I see any questions here. I mean, honestly, guys, I just shake my head. I can't believe it. Okay, this is why, you know, these YouTubers, you can't listen to these guys, man. I mean, serious? So you basically made me empty out my bank account to buy the dips, and now you're telling me it's going to take 2 years? Oh, man. Anyway, let's see what's going on here. So as I said, listening from the live from the gym while I'm bench pressing. Shout out to Swazza. He be going hard, man. He be going hard in that gym. Swazza, you definitely motivating me to go back in that gym. He going hard lifting these weights. DG said, "That's good." Oh man. You said, and they paid him $500 for saying that. Man, he doesn't need XRP at this point. Exactly. Exactly. Bamboo, never catch a falling knife. Exactly. Cardano, you said any thoughts on Cardano coming up on a new rally? Is it? What do you mean a new rally? I don't see a new rally. I'm trying to figure out, you know. Hey, bro, I'm a truck driver and I found out about crypto market a month ago. I have money to invest. How can I get started? I'm all in, bro. I'm mad interested. I'm all set. Over here, me personally, all I do is read the charts, okay? All I do is read the charts. So if you've been following me, you know that I've been making money from this market while it was going down. I just been basically playing the swings. If you don't know what the swings are, it's just the pullbacks in the market, okay? If you look at the chart will never go straight down or straight up, okay? We have pullbacks, okay? So every time the market goes down, it pulls back, goes down, pulls back, goes down, pulls back. You can take advantage of these pullbacks when the market pulls back, okay? That's what I've been doing, my students been doing. The only way you could take advantage of that is just basically study the charts, okay? I do have a course if you want, if you want that. I definitely have a course you can check out, because during the live stream, I give out this course, but I give a discount to people, during the live stream. So let me actually give that out right now. If you want to take advantage of that, you can do that with this course. You can go to just look at the testimonials, and you will see the people that's making money from the course. All right, and also this course comes with the Discord room. Is a room where me and my students, we chat, we talk about crypto, we post charts. It's a beauty, right? Like, the other day I posted a chart on XRP when I was going short, made money off that. You have people out in the Discord room making 2,000, 3,000, and more, and that's that's motivation for people that's starting off, okay, starting out. So the room is going to motivate you overall, okay? So you can check that out. Let me copy and paste that link for you if you want to check it out. But just study the charts, man. That's the name of the game. Study the charts, because everything else is just pure lies. Just like I just told you about that XRP YouTuber. These guys are they're going to say anything to get views and get subscribers, okay? But if you don't want to deal with that, if you want to be your own man, where you don't have to depend on nobody, okay? You don't have to depend on a YouTuber. You don't have to depend on the news. You don't have to depend on anything. Learn how to read the charts, okay? That's what I do. The charts are the numbers, and the numbers don't lie, and that's what I love to do. Guys, if you have any questions, please let me know. Please let me know, okay? If you're new to the channel, welcome. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thanks a lot for coming through. Thanks a lot for stopping by. If you're listening to me for the first time, you might say, you know what? This guy sounds like, he don't sound like most of these YouTubers that pretty much always hyping things up. Because I don't have no reason to hype things up. Okay, I put like this. Let me ask you this. Imagine I've been just imagine this. I've been hyping things up the whole year. Okay, eventually it's going to catch up to me, right? Because trust me, you will see. Eventually it's going to catch up to all these YouTubers. So it doesn't even make any sense. So let's go to these questions here. All right, so and I saw some comments too. They's like, man, I thought XRP was going to moon when Xrapid went live. I'm very disappointed. I saw comments like that. A lot of people were disappointed. that XRP didn't moon. Let me see here. You said what to do in XRP in Tron. Well, I talked about that already. Okay. I guess I could go over it, you know, briefly. Basically, I said it all depends on your situation. If it was me and I'm all in, okay. If I'm all in XRP or Tron, I'm out. I'm getting out. All right. I don't know what I would sell. I would sell probably 70%, maybe 80%. Okay. And then I would just learn how to read the markets. If I didn't know how to read the markets, I would learn how to read the markets and go from there. All right. Because this year and probably next year and probably more years to come, this market is not going to be the same. It's not going to be the same as 2017. Okay. So your best bet is probably going to make, if you want to make money in this market, you're probably going to have to swing trade the market. Okay. So you just have to learn the charts. All right. Number two, if you are in a situation where, you know, or if I was in a situation where I had money on the side, okay, I'm not all in. Let's say I'm not all in Tron or XRP, and I still have money to play with on the side, then I wouldn't sell all of it. Okay, I wouldn't sell all my XRP or Tron. Okay, I would probably sell a little bit of it and use that money that I have on the side to swing trade the market. That's the way I'm thinking. Let me see here. I'm all set. Said I spend hours listening to YouTubers learning, and I feel what you are saying. They hype stuff up. Yeah, I know you're right. They hype stuff up. Okay. If you listen to a guy, and just and like I said, you don't even have to. You don't even have to listen to me, okay? But we are all adults here, okay? So I'm quite sure that since we are all adults here, we have some type of common sense, right? I'm quite sure we have some type of common sense. So your common sense should tell you, okay? Your common sense should tell you if someone is an expert, okay? Why is that person wrong for the whole, or you know, basically being wrong, whatever they said was wrong for the whole year? Okay, you have to ask yourself that. Okay, you have to use your common sense when it comes to this stuff like that. Okay, these guys been wrong for the whole year, so you have to think about it and say, you know what, I thought this guy was an expert. How come that every time he says the market is going, this is the bottom and the market is going to moon, the market just falls apart and drops? You have to ask yourself that. Okay, start to use your common sense. Like I said before, I don't mean you don't even have to listen to me. Just use your common sense and ask yourself, if these guys are truly experts, how come they making you lose money? Okay, they've been telling you to buy the dips. Every month is something else, right? I swear to you, every single month is something, is a new event, right? Oh, October is the month where the bulls is gonna come in. Oh, November back is coming in. So guys, November is the month. The bull market is gonna come November. Watch December come, right? There's gonna be something new. Oh, December, guys, the ETF is gonna get approved. So every single month, these guys tell you something that you want to hear. Okay, and I want to get you guys to a level where you don't have to rely on that. Let me see here. I'm all set. Say, how can I check that out? Yeah, I'm all set. I just gave you that link. And you can check it out. That link, if you have that link, you can go check it out. During the live stream, I give you guys that discount. So if you do get it, let me know, because I want to send you that Discord link. Okay, the Discord link is where me and my students chat. Let me see here. Swazza said, thanks for everything so far. Loving your course in the Discord. Yes, man. Thanks a lot, Swazza. You've been heavy on that Discord, man. Every time I go in that Discord, I see Swazza. So that's why I can tell you know, you are serious when it comes to this stuff. You really want to learn. So shout out to you. You said the BTC chart looks ugly. Has I know, man. This BTC chart, every chart looks ugly, man. All right. Right now, BTC is so slow, but eventually it has to do something. Okay, some people think that it could go sideways for the whole year. I don't know all about that, but you know, we'll see. But I think, you know, it has to do something soon. I'm all set. I have 3,000 in XRP. Should I pull out? Like I said before, it all depends on your situation. Okay, I can't give no one financial advice. Okay, on this live stream, but it all depends on how much you have on the side. Okay, is that all your wealth? It all depends. Like I said before, if it was me and I had all my wealth into it, I don't like how XRP is looking right now. GG said BTC breaches 558. We're going to retest somewhere around 46, 52 reaches. Yeah, man. I mean, honestly, you know, if this thing breaks these levels right here, you have to understand this is basically pressure right here, guys. What you're looking at here is this pressure building up. Okay, we've been hitting these levels for almost a year now. Okay, so that's a lot of pressure. So if it breaks these levels and stay below those levels, man, you know, it's almost like pressure releasing. All right. So things could definitely get ugly. Bamboo said trying to time the bottom is impossible. Yeah, you're right about that. Hey, what's going on? Leslie Savage, what's going on? Lord of the Boy said that's exactly what I did. I sold 70% of my XRP and I used that money for swing trading. Shout out to Lord of the Boards. Took all his money out and now he's swing trading. That's what's up, man. I don't blame you. I don't blame you at all because Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, XRP, Tron, everybody, every coin that's basically just been going down. So I don't blame anybody for selling. I'm sorry. Let me see. Bamboo said one main rule: never fall in love. Make money. Don't get. Yeah, I know, man. Lord of the Boy said this 110 course will make you much more than the 110 worth of XRP, even if it goes to 589. Shout out to Lord of the Boys. Yes, you have to understand. Once you have knowledge, that's knowledge forever. Okay, that's something that you have forever. What's going on, Beamer? I heard about that. It was a Digitex. I heard about that. That's the one that's going to compete with BitMEX, right? That's the one that's going to compete with BitMEX. I don't know. I haven't did any research on it yet, but I don't think they open yet. I don't know when these guys are going to open their platform. But you know, it's good to have platforms that compete with each other because I'm honestly tired of Coinbase. I'm tired of these exchanges. I'm tired of having just one exchange control everything. All right, like, man, we should have choices, right? Like, if I wanted to trade the stock market, I can open up a broker with TD Ameritrade, E-Trade, Scottrade, Interactive Brokers. Like, I have so many choices. Okay, when it comes to crypto, it's like, man, you don't really have that many choices, especially if you live in the United States. It's ridiculous. I hate Coinbase. Coinbase is horrible. But yes, guys, if you're tired of losing, hit that subscribe button right now. XRP is honestly, guys, right now is looking like it's just looking good for swing trading right now. Okay, I made money off that 3 days ago. I know my students made money off this to the downside, and this thing looks like it wants to continue to go. I don't like this whole setup where we pump like this. We hit 80 cents and then it just dragged all the way back down. Basically back to 40 cents. I don't like that. So we had a chance to go up right here. If you go to the 4-hour chart, we had a chance to go up. I thought right here was the move where we was going to at least hit $1 or something like that. Okay, we had a chance right here. But the market is so weak, guys. The market is so weak. Sellers came in, dragging this thing down. So the way I see it is, most likely we're going to continue to go down to this swing low right here. Okay, so around, like, what is it, 43 cents, and from there we will see how it reacts to that level. GG said, y'all better listen to Big Ben. He's trying to save your pockets. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do, man. Cause when I first started out, unfortunately, I started out in a bear market. So I'm used to the bear market now. Okay, so I don't want you guys to make the same mistakes I made. Okay, I was buying dips like crazy because I had the same mentality like you guys have right now. Buy the dips because you think that the bull market is going to come next month or a month or two, or even a year from now, next year, but it doesn't work like that. The bull market could come whenever it wants to come. Last time we had a bear market, it took 4 years for pretty much the market to go back to the highs. Okay, most people just can't realize that. All right. So what makes it different this year that same situation won't happen again? Okay, and I honestly, it could be worse. So for you guys that are new to my channel, if you don't understand what I'm doing or why I'm saying these things, it's not because I'm negative. It's not because I want the market to go down. It's none of those things, okay? It's because I understand how a bear market works. I'm trying to help you guys. Make sure you save money. Don't blow your money, your hard-earned money you've been working for pretty much your whole life, right? You just tossing that money away, okay? Just because you think that prices are low, okay? Trust me, prices are not low right now. Trust me on that. Prices are not low. They can get much lower than this. So if you're buying the dips, you're just basically guessing, guys. You don't have a strategy. You don't have a strategy at all. Okay. So if you're that person right now, just watching my video for the first time, and you probably think I'm negative, guys, it's not that. All right. I love cryptocurrencies. If I had the power to pump this market up, I would pump this market up, but unfortunately, I don't have that power, okay? Only thing I can give you guys is my knowledge and what I see on the charts. Okay, what I see on the charts is basically the market is weak right now, and it looks like we have room to go down. Okay, just what it is. And also I'm telling you guys, hey man, you don't need a bull market to make money. Okay, so that's another thing I've been trying to tell you guys pretty much all year. You don't need a bull market to make money. You can make money now. So let's see. Let's go to these questions here. Yeah, I hear you, Bamboo. About the tethers, yeah. I use Coinbase only to pump dollars in. Yeah, I know. I mean, I just hate to use them. I'm reading these questions here, so just give me a second. BTC pump next week. Next week, big. Yeah, okay. So you going long? All right. That's what's up, man. You going long. That's what's up. That's funny, Mitch. Mitch, if I show you how much money I make from AdSense, you'll probably laugh at me. Okay? You probably laugh at me. My last paycheck from AdSense was 178, I believe. $178. $178. I don't make nothing from AdSense. Let me see. Coinbase fees are out of control. Yeah, I know. Love your videos. I'm joking. Yeah, I know you're joking. I know you're joking. Being a YouTuber is rough. That's why you see people out here giving you guys nonsense, because like you said, being a YouTuber is rough. Okay, so you have people out here would do anything to get views. All right, they would say, hey man, XRP, Tron, Litecoin, they go into the moon tomorrow. I have proof. Okay, inside source told me that they buying up, okay, the market. Big institutions is coming in tomorrow. So guys, buy the dips right now. Okay, so that's why these YouTubers will tell you anything that you want to hear, and it's up to you. It's up to you to realize, man, these guys are just jokers. I think eventually most people will realize these guys are a whole bunch of jokers. Okay, because you really can't fool people for that long. Okay, maybe you get away for a year or so, but let me see. So yes, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. If you are not in that Discord room, you need to get in that Discord room, because automatically you're gonna see people making money, and now you're gonna see it's possible. Okay, you don't know how many times I saw people write, oh man, now I know it's possible. Okay, because it is, trust me guys, it's sometimes you question, right? You question things, and you question yourself, and you ask yourself, is this even possible? Right? Is it even possible to actually make money from this? Okay, from the market, reading the charts. Trust me, I had those questions too. So if you have those questions, you know, I don't blame you. I had those questions in the beginning too, okay? But once you get in that Discord and you start to see people making money, you're going to start to realize, man, this is possible, okay? That's why most of you guys need to get in that Discord just for that reason, okay? It's going to help you go through this bear market, because going through this bear market alone is tough. It's rough, okay? So that alone is worth it. So if you guys don't have that Discord, just go to check out this course. It will help you pretty much make money in this current market right now, and it comes with a Discord room, okay? So check that out if you guys don't have that, because most of you guys, a lot of you guys that's on this live stream don't even have this, and you guys is going through this alone, okay? You guys are going through this alone, and you're stressed out, depressed, and you don't have to be that way. You can chat with people that's basically going through what you're going through, and now they turning things around and making money. So let me see here. AZ said the Discord room is worth, yeah, exactly. I just said that, AZ. So shout out to you. AZ is actually one of my students. My dude said BTC could go lower than 3.5, but eventually BTC will above all the time. Yeah, I mean, it could definitely go lower than 3.5. Yes. See, you guys, I want you to, I talked about this before, okay? I want you to think about this, guys, okay? What he just said, Bitcoin could go lower than 3.5, okay? So let's say that that's the case, all right? Let's say that's the case. I want you guys to think about this for a second. Let's back this up, all right? Let's back up BTC. And shout out to everybody that's watching this live stream. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Thanks a lot for, tuning in on a Sunday afternoon with me. I want you guys to really think about this, okay? This is very important. You have to use your common sense, guys. You have to start using your common sense. Now, if Bitcoin decides to break down and go all the way down to that 3,000 mark, right? That 3,000 mark, okay? Where do you think your favorite coin is going to be when Bitcoin is at 3,000? Okay, this is why I tell all you guys, stop buying these stupid dips. All right, if Bitcoin goes to 3,000, where do you think your favorite coins are going to be? Coins like XRP, coins like Tron. Tron right now is at 2 cents. So where do you think Tron is going to be if Bitcoin goes all the way down to 3,000? Okay, so for all you guys that's buying these dips, guys, you think that these prices are cheap? Huh, trust me, things will go much lower. Okay, so this is why I try to help you guys when I come on here. I'm trying to give you experience. I'm trying to tell you that there's no such thing as cheap prices in the bear market, because things could go lower and lower and lower. Okay, it's the best thing to do if you want to buy in a bear market is to wait for confirmation. Okay, what do you think Litecoin is going to be if Bitcoin goes to 3,000 or lower? Okay, because 3,000 is just a number. Okay, it can go lower than 3,000. Okay, so what do you think Litecoin is going to be? Right? Okay, so you have to start using common sense. Okay, you don't even have to believe anything I say, but just start using common sense and start just thinking, guys. Just start thinking outside the box. Okay, start thinking outside the box and realize that this is not as easy as you thought it was. Okay, you thought this was, read the white paper and buy. Okay, that's what most people think that this whole market, this market is about. You read the white paper and you just buy and you wait for millions to come in your bank account. Okay, that's what most people think. Now I think most people are starting to see it's not as easy as they thought it was. Okay, it's more to this. Trust me, it's more to this. I do this full time, so I understand what's going on behind the scenes. I used to live in New York. Actually, I'm born and raised in New York, so I understand how Wall Street works. I know a lot of people that worked on Wall Street. Personally know them. Okay, so I understand what go on behind the scenes. Okay, a lot of shady stuff. So crypto market is just the same. All right, so let me go back to Let me see here. Let me read these questions. I'm gonna read these questions. If you're new to the channel, if you have any questions, let me know. Probably gonna get off this live stream soon. Oh, you want to look at BCH? All right, BCH, Bitcoin Cash. All righty. What exactly you want to look at, Lord of the Boards? Because right now all I see is just the market looking like, well, we have a downtrend right here and we're consolidating. Okay, so pretty much it's in this trend line right here. We are at the trend line, and if you zoom out, pretty much we consolidating and nothing is going on. Okay, so we have to wait and see if this thing wanted to blast up. Okay, of course we have to wait for Bitcoin, or if this thing want to blast down. Okay, what I'm looking at overall, I'm looking at the rest of these altcoins, because I believe altcoins are the leading indicators, guys. I think the altcoins are the leading indicators. So when I look at these altcoins, okay, like Ethereum, these guys look weak. Okay, Ethereum looks weak. Litecoin, we look at Litecoin, guys. Litecoin definitely looks weak. Litecoin looks like it's setting up to break down. Let's look at ADA real quick. This one is not really setting to go down. It's almost like a triangle pattern, but we didn't break out of it. So this one is questionable. Let me see. What else? We looked at XRP. XRP, it looks weak. XRP definitely looks like it's trying to go right back down to these lows right here. So a lot of these altcoins look weak. Those are the leading indicators. You can't really look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is pretty much been slow. So honestly, the whole market right now just look weak. Let me see here. If ETH hits 120 Neo team, you're buying. Okay, you can buy. You know, you can buy if you want. I'm not buying. Okay. Mitch said it's going to be a hell of a year for crypto. And in what way? In what way, Mitch? What way 2000 is going to be a hell of a year? All right, I'm reading these questions right here. Fesh said, buy Ben's course. You will be surprised how cheap it is compared to what you get out here. Exactly. Let me see. I'm trying to go through these questions real quick because I'm behind on these questions. All right, so I'm trying to redo these questions real quick. You said I think I'm just gonna have to swallow my pride and buy soon. Buy in what? XRP? What are you talking about? Brad said, I'm new to the channel. What platform or trading tools do you recommend? All depends. What are you trying to do, Brad? What are you trying to do? Are you trying to short the market? What are you trying to do? So Mitch, you think 2019 will be a bullish year? Can you give me one reason or reasons why do you believe 2019 will be a bullish year? And anybody else that's in this live stream, if you want to give me reasons why you believe 2019 is going to be a bold year, all right? But shout out to everybody. Let me give you guys a round of applause. I'm trying to go through these questions real quick. That's why you see me, just going through those questions. But I forgot to give you guys a round of applause. Shout out to everybody that's here. Okay, so if you're just tuning in, basically we went over a couple of charts, XRP, Bitcoin. Most people don't know what to do. Should they sell? Should they buy? Right now, me personally, I'm not buying anything. I believe that this market is weak. Since I am a professional day trader, swing trader, I understand the games that these guys play. And me personally, I'm not buying anything. I make my money from the downsides, and that's how you basically been seeing it seeing me how I make money this whole year. Okay, just shorting every rally. Let me go to these questions right here. All right, so, alrighty. Sometimes a whole year sucks, like this one. Yeah, I know. That's part of the market. But Bamboo, you have to understand, it don't suck if you understand how the market works, okay? It only sucks if you don't understand how you can actually take advantage of a bear market, okay? So you have to understand that too. Muhammad said 2019 will be a bullish year because we had a long bear market. I'm sorry, guys. I'm laughing. Oh man, my fault, guys. I didn't mean to laugh. Gosh. My fault, guys. I understand some of you guys are just learning, so I don't mean to laugh. I am a human being, so just forgive me on that one. But yes, that's honestly not a good reason at all, because if you understand how bear markets work, they will last for years. Okay, if you don't believe me, just go look at last bear market we had. It didn't last for a year. Okay. All right, so let's go back. So you think that last year was FOMO run? Okay, so I mean, I understand where you're coming from, but unfortunately, the market doesn't work like that. Unfortunately, the market doesn't work like that. I wish it did. I wish it worked. Trust me, I wish 1 year is a bear year and the next year we right back up. But unfortunately, it doesn't work like that. Gigi said the market will do whatever the Wells and government wants to do. Oh, let me give him that bomb. Let me give him that bomb, bro. Let me give him that flex bomb. Actually, let me do that one more time. Shout out to DG, and that's one of the reasons why I laughed. That's one of the reasons why I laughed. Like I said, it wasn't on purpose, but I don't want, because I know some of you guys are still just learning. Okay, I know some of you guys are still learning. But DG basically said it the best. He said it the best, man. The market will do whatever the world's and the government wanted to do. So plain and simple. Okay, guys is going to speculate about ETFs and back and all this extra stuff, but doesn't matter. So Mitch said, I don't use technical analysis. I found it complete non-cyclical, and anyone who thinks they are reading the charts are completely fooling themselves. The only way reliable is predict. Market is fundamental analysis. See this case. Okay, so Mitch, Mitch, let me ask you this question, okay? Actually, let me go back to some other questions first, and I'll get to you, Mitch. Let me see because I skipped a lot of other stuff. ETF won't kick in until 2019. I hear that. Big money rules. Yep. No prediction at the end of the day. I will keep reading the charts. Shout out to Alex. He said I'm making money now, so shout out to him. Mitch said technology is finally coming into own, blah, blah, blah. What about back starting in November? Back is nothing, guys. You have to understand it's nothing. All right, so let's go back to Mitch. Mitch said, I don't use technical analysis. I found it completely blah, blah, blah. We heard what he said earlier, okay? So Mitch said he don't believe in technical analysis, okay? So, Mitch, you have to understand, just because you don't believe in it doesn't mean that it doesn't work, okay? You have to understand, just because you don't believe in it, just because you can't figure out how to make it work, okay? Just because you can't figure out how to make it work doesn't mean that it's nonsense. Doesn't mean that it can't make you money, okay? I'm telling you right now, as we speak, you can go back to go actually look at all my live streams. Go back. Okay? Go back to the trades that I was in. Go back to the money that my students made. Okay? Go back to that. Okay? I don't even have to even go back and forth with you. I just go back to the videos. Okay? Go back to the videos. The videos will tell you that I do this full time and I showed you on videos consistently. So you're not in my Discord room. You're not even watching my videos. So for a person to tell anyone that technical analysis is useless, is just a person that don't understand how it works. And it's okay for you to say I don't understand. It's okay for that. But coming here and say it doesn't work, then that's just nonsense. But at the same time, this is why I gave you guys, okay, if you are new to my channel and you're new to the market, period, what I want you to do, guys, I want you to write this down. If you have a piece of paper, write it down, type it in your phone, go back to my last video, look at the 8 things I wish I knew, right? My last live stream, I think is around 59 minutes. Look at the 8 things I wish I knew, okay? And one of those things is basically beliefs versus reality, okay? Mitch is talking about something that is not reality, okay? He's saying that 2019 is going to be bullish because fundamentals, okay? That's not reality. That's something that he's just believing, okay? It's a belief. Let's go back to what is your price on XRP in a year? I don't have any price, Akbar. You have to understand that stuff that you see on YouTube, nonsense. Okay, nonsense. Most of these YouTubers are nonsense. Like, you have to understand, these guys try to predict everything and then get it wrong. Okay, they've been getting it wrong the whole year. So predictions, TA has nothing to do with predictions. All right. I don't have any predictions. I don't know what XRP is going to do by the end of this year. All I know is XRP right now looks weak. Okay, it looks weak. The chart is telling me that. I'm not telling. See, that's the difference between me. I'm not telling you that XRP is weak. I'm just showing you the chart. This is why I love the chart, guys. The charts will never lie to you. Okay, when someone tells me that 2019 is going to be bullish, okay, only thing they have, only facts, oh, they don't even have facts. Only thing they can say is, I believe 2019 is going to be bullish. That's it. That's the only thing they have. I believe 2019 is going to be bullish. That's all they have, is belief. Okay, that's why I told you guys, if you're watching my video right now, write this down. Go back to my last video and look at the 8 things I wish I knew when I first started out investing and trading. Okay, because your beliefs don't matter at all. Okay, I'm telling you what's happening right now, right in front of our face. XRP is at 47 cents. Okay, last week it was at 80 cents. Okay, my eyes and the numbers is telling me that this is not a bullish sign. Okay, this is weak. I'm not making this stuff up. This is not belief. When people read the charts, they project. Mitch, I don't have time to go back and forth with you, because I can understand that you have some type of emotional attachment to these coins. So I can't really go back and forth with you. It's hard for me to do that. Okay, a person that is doing this full time, is very hard for me to go back and forth with you. All right, but it is what it is. You don't have to believe nothing. You said you've been watching my videos, so you don't have to go back, but apparently you don't believe what you see, so it is what it is. AFF said, get him out of here. Oh man, that's funny. Brad said, how long does it take to learn TA? How much time would it put in? Brad, it all depends on the person. Okay, everybody's different. Some people are slow learners. Some people are quick learners. So it all depends on you. All right, but don't expect to make $1 million by tomorrow. All right, Brad. This is why you have people like Mitch believing that 2019 is going to be a bull year, because he want to make $1 million next year. Okay, he really thinks it's that easy. Okay, but you have to, Brad, you have to be dedicated, put in that work. Okay, I have students that bought the course. A week from now, boom, they making money. I have students that bought the course. Maybe it took them a month or two to start figuring things out. It all depends on your the way you learn. All right. I'm a software engineer. Okay, so actually, Mitch, I'm not gonna go back and forth with you, but let me ask you this. This will end everything, guys. This will end everything. Okay, Mitch. Since you buy and hold, how's that been working out for you this whole year? Okay, since you know everything, since you just the guy that knows everything, you know that TA is useless. Fundamentals matters. Let me ask you a good question. How's that been working out for you this year? Okay. And I guess we can end it like that. Leslie Savage says the market is designed to take your money. Yes. Guys, Guys, you think I should hit the button for him? You think I should hit that button for let me see if I see any questions that I missed. I'm trying to get my portfolio up 1% a week, and it's hard. It's hard if you buying and holding. Yes, of course, it's going to be hard. Okay. Like I said, go look at my last video, guys. 8 things I wish I knew when I first started out. Look at that. All right, 59 minutes. All right, write it down so you can look at it later. Okay, most of you guys think you know everything. For some reason, it's funny how people that don't do this full time will come on a live stream and try to teach me how market works. Okay, would you go to your doctor if you broke your arm right now and your doctor said, well, we need to do this, that, you know, would you question your doctor, or would you just tell your doctor, oh, you don't know anything, okay, I'm gonna do it like that? I mean, you can do it, you can do that, but at the same time, why would you question someone that's been doing this for a long time? Brad said, do you think the pumps are artificial? Yes, Brad. If you have not looked at my last video, write it down, okay? Mark it down. Go to 59 minutes, I believe, and I talk about the 8 things I wish I knew, okay? This market is controlled, Brad. 100% controlled. Not only is controlled, it's designed for you to lose, all right? So it's designed designed to brainwash you to believe that there's going to be a bull market next year, 2019. Okay. What is your main time frame? What do you use for TA? JC, it all depends, because I do this full time. Okay, I make money from this. So when I day trade during the day, I'm day trading the financial markets. I trade the futures. All right. So my time frames are much smaller when it comes to that. But if I'm dealing with the crypto swing trading, my time frames is the 4 hour and the daily charts. All right, so he's definitely a loser. He's definitely a loser. I'm a loser. Because he don't understand. Mitch, I don't have time for to go back and forth with you, so I'm about to kick you out. Because this can't be a Mitch and Ben show. This can't be a Mitch and Ben show. I can't keep on going back and forth. So I'm about to kick you out, but I'm a loser. Shout out to you, man. Good luck. Good luck to you. Good luck to your buy and hold strategy in 2019. Okay. I can't do it. For someone that claims that they watched me the whole year, they watched my videos, and still say that technical analysis is full of it, you know, what's the sense of being here? Okay. So I know he's a troll because it doesn't make any sense, right? If someone tells you, right, if someone gave you a herb, right, a herb that will heal you, and you see people coming online on YouTube saying, man, the herb that such and such gave me, man, it healed me, man. I'm better now, okay? And you see it. You see it with your own eyes. But you come on YouTube and you type in, oh, that herb doesn't work. How can I take you serious when you see it with your own eyes? Okay, you see with your own eyes this whole year, guys. I've been saying we in a bear market. I've been showing you my trades. I said, listen, I'm going short right here. You've been seeing my students make money, and you still say TA is nonsense. I can't take you serious. That's how I know you're a troll, because you see it. You know, you see all the proof, and you still say it doesn't work. That's how I know you're a troll. Okay, I can't deal with that right now. I'm trying to help people out here that's losing money. Like, this is real serious, guys. Like, most people think this is a joke. That's not a joke. Okay, these are real human beings out here losing money because of stupid YouTubers that's hyping things up, saying XRP, Tron, Litecoin is going to the moon. Every single month is going to be something different, right? Next month is going to be back. December is going to be this. Every single month, this whole year, they've been saying we are going to the moon, and it's been going down the whole year. Okay? Like, I take this stuff serious. Like, you can't, this is not a joke, guys. This is not a joke. This is people, human beings, losing their hard-earned money. Okay? So you have to understand that this is not a game. This is not a video game. This is a business. You have to, you know, be serious about this. Trying to learn how things work. Okay, because you have your favorite. I just went over it not too long ago. I told you your favorite XRP YouTuber, right? You know what he just said yesterday? He been actually telling you guys to buy the dips this whole entire year, right? Buy the dips, guys. We going up. Buy the dips. This is a good price, guys. And you know what he said yesterday? Guys, some of you guys are impatient, man. You know what? XRP is going to take minimum 2 years before we see anything. So you basically been telling me to waste money to buy the dips, and now you're telling me I gotta wait another 2 years? Like, this is what I'm talking about, guys. You got people out here that are leading you down the wrong path, and some people think it's a game. It's not a game. So let me, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. I just don't have time for that, because you don't understand the emails that I get. People saying, man, Ben, I'm down 80%. I'm down 30K. I'm down 100K. Like, these are real human beings. It could be your brother. It could be your sister. Okay? It's not a joke here. Okay? I don't want you guys to be just blowing your money, your hard-earned money, just because you don't know it. Okay? You don't know what's going on. This game right here that you see right in front of your face is designed to trick you. Okay? You have to be ahead of the pack and think like the whales. If you don't think like the whales, they will always take your money. How many times are you going to get tricked this year? Every time a coin goes up, it slams right back down. If you don't believe me, just go look at the charts. Guys, this is why I love the charts, because everything that comes out my mouth is not a lie. Okay, if I said, guys, XRP or Litecoin is going to moon by tomorrow or December or November, that's a lie, guys. That's a lie. Okay? There's no facts behind that. That's me. That's my beliefs. Just talking, okay? But if I tell you Litecoin, right? If I told you every time Litecoin this year went up and then went right back down, that's a fact. 100% true. So I don't got time for no games. I don't have time for people losing money. Okay? These guys that control the market, they love to play with your emotions, love to play with you, period. They want to see you make lose money. Okay. So let's go to these questions. If you have any questions, guys, let me know. I'm about to get off here, live stream soon. You said you're liking to get the course. I will start following you. There's another pro trader. I never heard of him. Philicone. I liked, but you seem honest, not driven by emotion. Yes. So you have to understand, Brad. I day trade. Okay. So what I do, honestly, I can't let my emotions get the best of me. Okay. Because if I do, I will always lose. Like, I will always lose money. Okay. So let's say, for an example, like I trade the crude oil. Okay. So let's go to the crude oil real quick. Okay. Futures market. All right. So, let's go to the 5-minute chart. All right. I'm just going to show you an example. Let's go to another chart. All right, so let's say, okay, I woke up today and I just felt like, hey man, I didn't see all that down movement. Okay, I felt like crude oil was going to go up. Okay, it's just a feeling that I had. All right, let's say I just start buying crude oil. Okay, and let's say I bought it and boom, I got stopped out. Okay, the next green bar I saw, let's say I bought it again, I get stopped out again. Let's say I keep buying it, right? Just because I just have that hunch, I have that feeling inside of me that this thing is going to go up. You know how much money I will lose? So you have to understand that this game is not about what you think or what you believe. Okay? It has nothing to do with that. You know how many stuff I believe in this, I found out it's not true. So it's not what you believe, guys. It's what's happening right now. Okay, is what's going on right now. NOW. Most people can't become professionals because they can't handle being wrong. So let's say that I decided to take a long right here and I got stopped out, right? Let's say I just got stopped out, okay? Let's say, okay, I was like, okay, this thing looks like it's going to reverse. I took a long right here and I got stopped out. You know what I would do? As a full-time trader, I would say, okay, since I got stopped out, it looks like this thing is not really going to the upside. Let me start looking for shorts now. Okay. So what I'm basically trying to tell you is I don't get married to one decision. Okay. So if I feel like something's going to go up and it doesn't work my way and it starts to continue to go down, guess what? I'm going to look for shorts. All right. This is how I survive. This is how I make money daily. Okay, weekly. It has nothing to do with my beliefs. It has nothing to do with what I believe in. Okay, the market cares less. The market doesn't even care about you. Trust me, the market doesn't care about you. These coins that you love so much, oh man, you guys don't even have no idea. These guys don't even care about you. All right, so the market is always right. Period. Hands down, always right. So since the market is always right, I have to follow the market. Okay, this is how I make money. You don't have to like it. You can disagree with everything I say. It doesn't matter to me. Okay. All right. So let's go back to these questions. You said buy and hold didn't work for me when I bought it at 1,000 XRP 2 cents. Well, of course, if you're gonna buy and hold like that, yes. Okay, so congratulations, MA. Okay, let me give you that ka-ching button. if you're going to use buy and hold like that, then yes. Okay. But you have to understand, MA, most people that buy and hold are not looking to sell. Okay. They're not looking to sell. So that's the difference. Let me see here. Barber says, so what to sell? Barber, I'm not here to give no one financial advice. So go listen to the beginning of this video. I talked about how I would deal with the situation. Basically, all depends on how much money you have. If you have all your life savings in this thing, then you might have to really question and basically ask yourself, do you really want to lose everything you have? Okay. Let me see. MA said it would moon. It takes time, dude. MA, you don't understand the emails that I get. Okay, I want you. Don't you know someone emailed me and said that they lost 150K? I want you to tell him that. I want you to tell him, hey man, it takes time. He don't want to hear that. He doesn't want to hear it takes time. Okay. See, the point is most people, they come on here, right, and try to make it sound like everything is all good, right? Everything is good, guys. Like, oh my gosh, like the bull market is going to come next month, guys. Don't worry. Guys, this could be a long bear market, longer than last bear market, okay? Last year, it took 4 years to go back to the top. This year, it could be longer than that. So ask yourself, do you really want to wait 5, 6, 8 years? Tell that to the person that lost 150K. All right? You say it's me, but you sound like Denzel Washington. I don't think so. Trying to go to these questions here. Yeah, I know. I'll read these questions. I'm trying to go over these questions real quick. What coins do you hold as size of the top 20, if any? Nah, I just hold like a couple of coins right now. But you understand, I don't care if those coins go down because I sold pretty much my profits. All right. So I don't hodl like most people. Michael said, I personally bought XRP at 26 mark. I've been holding a year, currently up 110. I believe it will. If you buy it at the lowest position, you will be great position to hodl. You know, that's not really true. Okay, that's not really true. And the reason why I'm saying that is because the way people come, you know, the crypto market is corrupted. Okay, so basically what I mean is most people, YouTube has been feeding people myths on how the market works. Okay, CNBC, YouTube has been feeding people myths. So when I see most people come on my live stream, all of them say the same thing. Okay, so don't think that you're the only one that's saying this stuff. Everybody's saying the same thing, right? You know, it takes time, and don't worry, you'll be fine. Just be patient, wait. blah blah blah. Okay, but you have to understand that buying and holding is not 100% guaranteed. Okay, and this is what most people just don't understand. They will never understand that. When do I expect a moon? Devil, it's not all about moon. It's not all about moon. So I'm trying to give you guys another way of looking at the market. I mean, some of you guys just can't get it out of your head, but which is okay, because I know I can't. I really can't. I can't help a lot of people. I know I can't help everybody. Okay, so people just we all guys, we all been brainwashed since day one. Okay, and we all been brainwashed since day one. I can't help a lot of people. Most people are just going to continue to be brainwashed. And I'm here to tell you, man, you don't need a bull market to make money. I only invested some money. Okay, Barbara. Yeah. So if you invested some money, you know, honestly, I mean, at the same time, you don't want your investment to go down, but you're probably not in a situation where you have to sell right now. So, you know, if you want to wait it out, you can wait it out. Of course, I'm not giving no one financial advice. Okay. But me personally, I'm not waiting. I don't wait. Doesn't matter. Double said, what's the sign of a bull run? We have to continue to make higher highs, have more volume to come in the market. You know, those are the signs. We haven't had that. I mean, Bitcoin just been going down. All these other coins been going down. We see spike, but these spikes never last. Every time they spike up, next thing you know, next week they go right back down. So this market right now is just is weak. Trolls are here today thinks a lot of potentials for formal. Yeah, I know. XRP going to 0. I hear you. Devil said TA is good until it moons and they get wrecked. Devil, you don't understand how TA works. Okay, you don't get wrecked when things go to the moon because you make money either way. Okay, so for you guys, please. Okay, if you don't know anything about this market, just sit back and learn. All right, we don't get wrecked when things go up. All right, we make money either way. Imagine having that power, that type of power, make money whether the market is going up or down. All right, so you have to understand, we don't care if the market goes to 50K or 2K. I can make money regardless. Yeah, I know, man. People are just you're right, GG. People is killing me, man. I mean, you have to understand the reason why people think like this is because people are brainwashed. Like literally brainwashed, man. They come on here and they say crazy things. They come on here and say crazy things, and you could tell that they've been listening to these stupid YouTubers. Each time you trade, it's you that steal from the hodlers, don't you think? You're not stealing from the hodlers, man. Is it, first of all, Devil, is it my fault that you hodling? Is it my fault that you holding? It's not my fault. Okay? It's not my fault that the market is going down. So you can't blame it on us. We are traders that ride the waves. Okay? Devil, I wish you can just humble yourself, and just sit back and learn how things work. Because if you don't, you're never going to try to go to that next level. What's going on, MK Kush? Shout out to everybody that's here, though. Let me give you guys a round of applause. I'm about to get out of here. It was fun, though. It was fun. Definitely fun today. But you're right. I can't just. I don't know, man. I can't go back and forth with some people like that. I just can't. So, guys, XRP right now is just weak, and there's money to be made, guys, on the downside. In my opinion, most likely it will continue to go down, maybe to 42 cents, 43 cents, to the swing low right here. Bitcoin itself is just doing nothing, but it's still looking weak on the bearish sign. In order for this to turn bullish, we have to, like I said before, we have to break these double tops. Not bullish, but in order for this to actually go up, we have to break these tops right here. All right. Now, once we break these tops, it's a strong possibility that we will probably go back to this high right here. Okay. But it all depends how we break the top. If we just break it just a little bit and slam right back down, then no, that's not a good sign. MK Kush said people still hodling Bitcoin. I mean XRP. Yeah, man. Yep. Yep. Did you see the other bull runs come in? Devil, this is how I know you don't know what you're talking about. I can't go back and forth with you. There was no bull runs, period. Okay, what bull run did you see this whole year? Okay, so man, I can't, these guys, man.
I'm a loser.
There's always the people that
I'm a loser.
That's not making money that wants to come on here and talk trash. Like, and I hate to say this because it sounds like I'm being cocky, but if you're not making money, how are you in a position to talk trash? I just don't get that. I mean, really, I just don't get how people that are buying and holding, losing money, is in a position to talk trash. I really don't get it. But it is what it is. That's the type of world that we live in.
I'm a loser.
Shout out to all the everybody that's here, guys. I'm about to get out of here. I can't take this no more. I'm getting a headache. People out here just brainwashed, and some people just don't want to learn. But shout out to everybody that's here, guys. I hope you guys continue to have a good weekend. I definitely don't want you guys to lose money. So if you want to join that Discord room, check that out. Look at my last video at that 59 mark, okay? 59 minutes. Go to my last video. I talk about the 8 ways. The 8 things I wish I knew when I first started out. And that will help you out a lot, okay? Shout out to everybody on this live stream that's making money right now. Shout out to everybody on this live stream that's making money right now. I'm proud of you guys, okay? I'm proud of all you guys that's making money right now. Plain and simple. Because a lot of people out here are just brainwashed, and it is what it is. So I'm about to get out of here. Let me see if I see one more question. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I hear that. Yeah, man. Enjoy your weekend, Beamer, and everybody else. See you guys in that Discord room. Guys, don't let nobody tell you what you can't do. People that tell you that they just mad that they can't do it themselves, or they try to do it, or they tried before and they didn't work out, so automatically they tell you it's not doable. Don't listen to those people. Trust me. Those guys are just strictly losers, and they don't want to go to the next level. But like I said before, I can't, this is getting out of control. Talk to you guys later. Don't know if I'm gonna do a live stream tomorrow, but if I do, talk to you guys tomorrow, all right?